Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to install ThinkPad Docking Station, full laptop dock setup, driver and display tutorial. Step 1. Power the dock. Connect the power adapter to the designated AC power port on the docking station. Then plug the other end directly into a wall outlet. Step 2. Connect to your ThinkPad. Now plug the dock's built-in USB-C or Thunderbolt cable into the corresponding port on your laptop and ensure you are using the correct port on your computer, usually indicated by a small plug or dock icon. Step 3. Attach your peripherals. Connect all of your desktop's accessories directly to the dock. For monitors, use the HDMI or DisplayPort cables. For accessories, plug in wire or wireless USB receivers for your mouse and keyboard. For network, connect your Ethernet cable to the dock's LAN port for a wired internet connection. Step 4. Install drivers if needed. Many modern Lenovo computers have dock drivers pre-installed, but if your dock requires extra software, check for updates by navigating to the official Lenovo support portal to download and install the exact drivers for your specific dock model. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.